Hello, what's going on? I hope you all had an amazing day so far. And here's going down to the burping contest. So, I just drank a lot of soda really fast. And so, I'm going to try to drink this really fast and burp because it was long. It was like, ooh. But, here we go. I only got a little bit left. Probably get another one. Oh, dang it, I got soda. I'm not sure how well you can see that, but I got soda on my bed. In my pile, I literally just sit all day and drink soda. Like, this is just from the past 3 days. I'm going to go get another one, so see when I have another soda. Alright, so I'm back with another soda. Here we go. I'm not sure if you just heard that, but that was really long. I'm like the weirdest person, like, I'll have to swallow if I have to burp. Oh, that was loud. I hope no one heard that. That was embarrassing. It's starting to hurt to burp. This says, look. This says cherry cola, but this tastes like normal cola. Whenever I have to burp, I keep swallowing soda, and then I feel like my burp won't be as long. Literally, all my burps are going like. Listen to this sound. This is what my burps sound like. See, it bubbles at the end and tastes you. I can get a really high pitched burp without the soda. I need to look up something to make you burp because this may be about 3/4 gone already. Soda's not working. I don't even like soda that much. What can we do? Because I can make a pretty long video. Just on soft mode, I can make a pretty long video. Oh no. Oh. I wasn't allowed to bring my instrument home. So I didn't. Just kidding. I want to take a nap. It really tastes like medicine. But like, weird medicine. Like cherry medicine. Naturally flavored soda. Look. Here, let's get better lighting just by standing up. Oh, I told you. Now, my light is like right here. I want a sketchy thumbnail. It's not worth it. See you right there under cherry cola. Okay, sketchy thumbnail. I don't know if we got it. I literally just like fell onto my knees and then I couldn't stop and I fell over. I'm pretty gone. I'll see you when I know what to do. Bye-bye for now. Sorry if I'm upside down, but I literally just had the loudest burp. It was like...